Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Clean looking truck. Thanks for watching the video. This is the 2014, the GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is 7136. We're going to take you on an exterior walk around and then put you in the driver's seat in here in just a second. But take notice of the impeccable condition on the exterior. Super, super clean. Making our way around to the rear. Absolutely a clean passenger exterior, making our way to the rear. Does have the tow package. And we're going to make our way into the driver's side here in just a second. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life at no cost to you. Find out more information on that here at Sunset Ford. Let's take a look at the interior. Leather, absolutely flawless. No rips, no tears, no stains. Easy access to all the controls, dual climate control up front, of course, all power options, Bluetooth, of course, a moonroof, got to have that. Open that up and let the hair blow. For more information on this truck or any other vehicles in our inventory, call us, email us, or text us. We'll be happy to answer any phone calls. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. We hope you've enjoyed the virtual video walk around on this pickup. Make it a great day. Take care.